everyone, today I thought we'd do a quick review of everything that was in the Uniquely Creative Advent Calendar. So let's have a look. First we have the 2 pattern paper packs. We've got the 2 inspiration booklets, our journal with all its inserts and pages, our vellum sheets, the 2 different cardstock stickers. We also have the pocket pages, double-sided, and then we've got our ephemera or creative cuts for each collection, the vellum pieces, we've got our woodcut sentiments and icons, we also have our piece of cheesecloth, our little stamp, our bookmark stencil, our lovely little tassels, gorgeous stamp and die set. We've got also our foam tape and squares, that gorgeous star die, love that, as well as our little alphabet dies. Then we also have our 2 crystals or gems, silver pearls and clear, our spotty washi tape, and then the little welcome card that has sentiments on the back, so we can use that as well. There's over $200 in value in this advent calendar, and I think it's been brilliant and definitely worth the $100 that it cost. Thank you, Tracy from Uniquely Creative, for putting together such a fantastic calendar. Can't say again how much I loved opening everything each day. Bye bye for now, see you again soon.